Hey my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall.
What I do my friend shop? Eh? Look what I do my friend shop. Eh, my friend there so from me a girl. From me a girl, my friend there so what I do with this shop? Eh? What I do with this shop? I want 2 man a power man make them do him so. What I do in man shop? See general here. Who don't know this man no born yet? What I do in man place? Eh? Look what I do in man place. But we have voted them out. We have voted them out. They have to go. See them? What I do in the man's place, sir? See them? And the license plate we have locked up. But we have to highlight. If you're afraid, me won't hold your hand. Now they're just going to finish. I'm follow you. I'm going to call you. I'm going to bring you. I'm afraid I'm not all. Benson, what have to say, Carry on? What have to say?
Right now, we have me vex, me can't talk.
What have to say?
I tell you, I told me can't talk. Imagine say you live here for 30 years. Look at 30 years, you're supposed to live it up. But you live up by your
Then if you relocate Bob and put Bob across your road, put a piece of wall over there, so. And make Bob go up on the little mountain there, so.
Yeah.
Alright with that.
Yeah.
But you can't just want to collect 9 months and move. Just
what am I going to do? What am I going to do? What am I going to pay a price going to? I'm going to pay a price going to.
So why first don't take the money and then say upon land? Why you take the money and upon land? Why? Why Parish don't take the money and then say, kid, you have to go, kid. You are Bobby Magic, you have to go. You are Bobby Magic, you have to go.
Viewers and subscribers, what I just see a while ago is a protest that took place in St. Mary. That is St. Mary, Jamaica, where a businessman is being asked to relocate his business. And them seems to be doing this by force. Maybe that is the reason why the residents are so angry. You see me? Yeah. There's a part of this to when me listen where it sounds a little bit contrary to. You see it? Where them say that the man pay parish council for the little spot we have, but at the same time, them say that the land belongs to somebody else. So that is coming like you pay government for a piece of property what belongs to somebody private. You get me? I say that sound a little bit weird. You see it? It's kind of rough when time you're there at a place yourself for so many years and then suddenly you're being asked to relocate and all these things. You see me? I say, I mean, land is not really free in Jamaica like that. You see it? And when you take a person same need for pull down in business place where I'm doing little hustling. You see me? Because you don't know a thing already. People call it hustling, people call it business. But once you sweep a man off his feet where you know have something where that's how him doing whole life, you basically are telling him to start all over again. And that kind of tough, you know. You just that just only add one more person to the whole suffering thing we're going in Jamaica, you know. You see me? I say it's rough, man. Channel. But anyways, I don't know the thing already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?